Yo guys, what's up? It's a new video. Today I'm talking about the best business opportunities that you can jump into in 2025.
Just quick disclaimer, these videos are not scripted. Off the top, I'm basically based off of what we're doing right now.
Yeah. Just for a quick introduction, what we actually do for a living is live life to the fullest, baby. Actually, we've been doing dropshipping since 2018. Yeah, 2018. We made our first 10K a month in dropshipping. That was like maybe like a year or two later. Yeah, so we did a slow grind because we didn't have money to start. But one of these guys are from rich homes, and then they basically start off with a freaking $3,000 every single week spending budget. We did everything through Instagram TM. That's how we grew a freaking brand, and that brand lasted for like 5-6 years. So we did that brand for 5 years, and we had a good exit of a high 5-figure exit of that business. And that's what we basically used to start off our SaaS business, which we spoke about in the last video that we did. You guys should go check out the last video. Our videos are completely unedited, and it's only pure bangers, pure authentic content, pure knowledge. We're not trying to give you gimmicks. We're trying to give you actual, steps that you take to actually improve 2025. And I think 2025 one of the best years. So without any further ado, let's get started. What's the first business that you should get into in 2025? I think we should find the best months. Yeah, my number one spot, I know what my number one spot is, so let's start with number 5.
All right, so number 5, I would say crypto. Now, when I say crypto, I don't mean trading crypto. I mean building a community around crypto. So the thing is, the fact that Donald Trump is going to be inaugurated again this year, just after the election when he won, we saw a tense bull run. Now everything is like, he's diving down. I don't think he's going down. Yeah, Bitcoin hit like $107,000.
He got really, that's
free. Yeah, it doesn't. It's only going to go back up once Trump is inaugurated. So once inauguration happens, Trump is like the most pro crypto president, and people under his cabinet like Prefect from Swami, obviously Elon is they're really pushing on the whole crypto thing. So
yeah,
if you're able to build a community of crypto nerds, of giving people, and the thing is, to build that community, you don't need to know anything about crypto. Every single community or every single site also I'm going to give you today, you don't really need to know anything. You could literally just turn on ChatGPT to give you posts to make. And also, the posts you'll be giving ChatGPT to help you do is basically just find another community on Twitter and literally just copy their captions and their posts, put it into ChatGPT to rephrase the words, and then just post that. It's very simple. So just keep on posting on Twitter. I keep on and get a Telegram link. I'm also a Discord channel as well.
Yeah.
Once you're doing that, you're literally good to go. If you keep on background or posting exactly what other people who are in the same niche as you are doing, and this goes outside even just these cryptos.
Yeah.
Able to do that, you can price your a premium membership. You have a free group, and then you have another membership. You've priced that premium membership to be like, let's say $20 a month. That's on the low end before things are kicking off. $20 a month, and then you have like 100 people join out of your 10,000 followers. 100 of them join, already making 2,000 up there on the side. So yeah, so that's a nice side. That's a 4 and 5.
Right now my phone is overheating, but we should not stop because this is getting hot.
Ooh.
Yeah, so with the whole crypto stuff, it's a really good way because we are actually making money from this, and we did a solid amount on this. Yeah, so we're back to another camera again. This is getting crazy. We're recording multiple videos. We're in the sun. So we're not in the sun, the phone's in the weather. Oh yeah, so where were we?
We're at number 4.
Yeah, so the crypto stuff, we're making a good amount of money with the crypto stuff, so you guys should definitely try it. So let's go to number 4. What's the 4th way you think we can make money in 2025? I'll say this, it's unconventional. Nobody's actually thought of this. Someone's actually said this. I don't know if YouTube's going to allow me to talk about this. I don't know. Maybe they're not allow me to talk about this. Man, but if you can make gambling websites, that's the way to go. You're going to be fitting into people's, addiction. So do that what you want to do. I don't know. I haven't done it before, but I know people who have done that. I know they're making good money for that. So it's up to you if you want to do it. I'm not endorsing you to get into that activity, but you guys can get into it if you want to. It's a good amount of money you can make in it. Does it go with your morals? I don't know. If it doesn't go with mine, that's what I'm not doing. Yeah, so you can try that out. Second one is the third one, which is what actually made us successful. That's dropshipping. I'll still put dropshipping there because it's the only way you can get into the feel of having a real business where you wear multiple hats at the same time. Like dropshipping is where you would have to learn how to market your products. If you do it the way we did it, which is building an authentic brand, growing your you have to learn growth on social media. you'd have to learn customer engagement. You would learn how to control employees. You have to learn how to control your expectations from your customers, how to, push for sales, marketing, converting of sales, upselling, all that stuff. You're going to learn all those stuff, and those are skills that you can apply into multiple business, and each of those skills are businesses of their own that you can branch out. And this is what we did and what we're still doing, and that's why even if now that we're not really into dropshipping because we sold our store for a good amount, we still have a good source of income in different places because we have the skills to basically earn. And the third one, which is something the second one. So the second one, it's a multiple of business, and that is arbitrage, middleman businesses, bro. You have to be the middleman, learn how to be the middleman. Airbnb, it's a middleman business. Every single one of these businesses that rise to the top at a very fast pace, even Amazon, those are middleman businesses. You do not have to own everything that you sell. You can always connect people from buyer to seller. Yeah. And once you're in the middle, you have no basically cost of keeping the product or keeping the inventory, managing the employees. You just connect them. When there's sales, you basically connect them to who they're going to buy from, but they think they're buying from you.
Yeah, and under the umbrella of arbitrage businesses, dropshipping is actually under an arbitrage business. Yeah, job servicing, SaaS, web development, where you have a team that you hire on Fiverr, or even a business like it doesn't have a name, but it's like agency businesses that are from the variety of niches. It would be like a podcast niche where you get people to edit reels, people to post reels, to edit podcasts, all of them on Fiverr. So those are middlemen that you don't know or have any of those skills to fulfill the product, but you have intelligence to be able to get someone from the third world, from India, from Africa. You're able to get those people to do a certain task for you, and you then pay them, maybe 10% of what you're actually getting paid from the actual client. So you're the middleman from the solution to the problem, to join the two together. That's your job as the middleman. It's one of the best, actually.
Yeah, it is. It's the easiest way that you can actually start a business. I can actually start making money immediately. Yeah, and these are things that we know that if you do, you would jet definitely make money. We're not going to give you this app. Use this app to start making money. You tap on screens and make money. Please, those things don't work. It doesn't work because we tried them back then. I don't know if they work now, but they definitely didn't work then. Yeah. So the first one, which I will say, and I keep saying this, is personal branding. You need to have a personal brand. You need to have a place where people see you and they know you, and that way you can sell them anything. If it's a product, you can sell them. If it's a course, you can sell them. If it's a service, you can sell them. Or you can endorse other people's products. Like you see celebrities like Kim Kardashian, she has her own products. You see celebrities like even Jordan Peterson, he had a masterclass that he did. Nas had a masterclass that he did. This is because these are people who have built a name off of just their image. Their name is a craft, it's a business on its own. So there's something that you can build. Right now with the internet, you only need like 4 to 6 months of pure grind and putting yourself out there to build a good following, and you can start selling to. There's nothing wrong with selling to people, because if they didn't want it, they wouldn't buy it. Because they definitely go. That's why they bought. So definitely put that into your list on the things you want to get started in 2025. Yeah, you can decide to sell every single one of them in the New Year's. Do every single one of them. It doesn't really matter, but I'll suggest you start on 1 or 2, and then you can jump in. If you want to be like us, every single one of these things that we've just said, we're getting into, except the gambling office. We're getting into with basically every single one of them, and we're into some of them already. If you want that set up for you, you can send us a DM on Instagram. You can send us an Instagram, send you a message on Telegram too as well. We're available on Discord. I'm available there. It'll be in the description. We're going to set all of this up for you with your employees and all that, because you alone can't do this. You need a team that can handle this for you, and we can set that up for you.
Yeah. So also, by the way, under the whole personal brand thing, I want you to think that you don't have to become the mega influencer that are generous. With 5,000, 10,000 followers, you can actually get a lot of people's attention and then to sell things to them. Yeah. The honest truth is that you can actually sell a lot of stuff for even 1,000 followers if you have something that you're good at and you're able to teach these people. Yeah, you can do it.
With a couple hundred views on YouTube, you can definitely sell something good.
For example, I knew this guy Spencer. Yeah. Like this guy literally had, at the time when I was watching, he had like 1,000 social writers having 100 to 200 views, and this guy was selling websites. He's in a different kind of industry. I won't mention a lot.
There's selling website for like 12 national brand. She was making a lot of money. Still making a lot of money from YouTube. Yeah, gets a lot of clients all from YouTube. It's all about what value are you going to bring to people. If people can actually see them now. You can fake the value, but do you really have that value? I love these guys online. They just come in, buy a Lambo, and they start posting. Like I don't like Lambos, bro. I prefer SUVs, big cars, because we're 6'3", so I can't even fit in a Ferrari. Like, so that
probably I'll get a Lambo truck.
Yeah, Lambo truck. The Euros, definitely get a Euros. Get a Cyber truck too. So definitely get that 2025. Let's define that.
BG.
Yeah, so we're 7 minutes in. Okay, so I think that's it with the business that can start in 2025. If you have any questions with all this, you can drop it in the comment section. We will reply, or we'll make a video about it. Hope you guys are really going to lock in 2025, because this is your year. Well, I feel so good about 2025 for some reason.
And we had the same feeling for 2024. And 2024, we made the most money ever in our lives.
Yeah, and 2025, you guys need to lock in. A lot of things are going to happen in 2025, and if you're not serious enough, you're going to miss out. You're going to miss out on crypto. You're going to miss out on so many new AI. That's another thing you guys need to focus on to start making some money. Whether it's implementing AI, whether it's implementing AI into your business, because right now I don't think you can function out without AI in your businesses. Whether it's putting AI in your business or just creating your own AI service, one of those two is going to make you a lot of money. That should be a long-term type of thing, because AI is still in its early phase. But AI, having the business AI that already has a name, and then it becomes mainstream, which I pursue to be in like the next year or two, not even that long. In the next year or two, it should definitely become mainstream. AI should definitely walk into that.
Another thing that we forgot to mention is content creation, like faceless content creation. So this is the one way that if you have anxiety of putting yourself on camera, if you don't want to build a social network for yourself, personal brand for yourself, you can actually capitalize on people that already have different, people that already have a following, and then you basically clip up your content or repost that content on a different channel, or you get paid the dividends. Very simple start example. So yeah, so basically you post those videos on TikTok, post it on YouTube. Faceless YouTube channels are popping off like real mad, and it's also a mix between the content creation, the personal branding, and as well as the Indian method of the middleman business stuff.
It's like you working with people from third world countries, it definitely makes things a lot easier, because all these things that we're saying, you can get it done for a very low price. And not just you can get it done for a low price, you can test out every single one of them and see which one works for you, and just have every single one of them working without your attention, without you basically being the one to look at every single of these things. And that is why we also have an agency that helps you connect you to properly trained employees from third world countries that are trained by us. So if you want that for your business, hit us up, and we can discuss something with you. I think that'll be it for today's video.
Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, share the video to a friend that you think needs learn all these side hustles.
Comment whatever thing you want us to talk about, or if you have any questions, let us know. We're more than happy to.
Let's stand on Joseph signing out.